from Education Point Coaching Institute. We are going to discuss today subject science, class 10th, worksheet 72. And the topic is managing the garbage. Here we are going to discuss how we can manage the garbage. In our daily activities, we generate a lot of waste material that are thrown away. Improvement in our lifestyle have resulted in greater amount of waste material generation. Changes in attitude also have a role to play, with more and more things we use becoming disposable. Changes in packing have resulted in much of our wasting becoming non-biodegradable. You also agree with me that changes in packing have resulted a much more waste becoming a non-biodegradable. How? See, earlier we used to pack in a different thing, like we used to pack in polythene bags, bags and all. But nowadays we are aware and paper bags, and we are using jute bag instead of that. The garbage contains following types of material: biodegradable wastage and non-biodegradable waste. So what is biodegradable waste? Substances that are broken down a biological process, or biodegradable waste, like which we can broke very easily in a biological process, like fruits, vegetables, peels, paper, jute, ducks, etc. And in other hand, non-biodegradable waste are substances that are not broken down by a biological process, or non-biodegradable waste. So examples are plastic, polythene, metals, etc. We cannot, can you biodegrade that plastic, polythene and metal? No, na. But in fruits and peels, vegetables can be easily broken down. So now we are going to learn the method of waste disposal. Biogas plant biodegradable material is used to produce biogas and manure. And second is sewage treatment plant. The drain water is treated as a plant before adding to the river. So what is biogas plant? Biodegradable material. In this, the material when we dug into something, or when we keep it for a long time, and suddenly that biogas and manure become ready, and the biogas is used for a different cause. Landfilling. What is this landfilling? The waste of are buried in a low-lying area and compact with a bulldozer. See, if you can see that you have some area very low-lying, and if you can waste these things with this waste and will apply a bulldozer, what will happen? First, that low-lying area will be filled. Second, without using any non-biodegradable thing. We are going to now learn about compositing. What is compositing? Organic waste are filled in composite pit to make a composite of a plant. Okay. Now, let us move to the R's of for this purpose. Recycle. First R is like your recycle, refuse, reuse, repurpose. Let us discuss first about recycle. This means that you collect plastic, paper, glass and metal items, recycle these material to make requirement thing instead of synthesizing or extracting fresh plastic, paper, glass or metals. In order to recycle, we first need to segregate our waste so that material that can be recycled is not dumped along with other waste. See, recycle is very important. If you segregate the waste, so it will be very easy to recycle. You cannot, some things are recycled and that some are not recycled. Plastic, paper, glass, so that we used to make a two kind of dustbin, where in one dustbin you throw the waste which can be recycled and which In the next one, you throw the waste which can be recycled and which can be not recycled in other. So it will be easy to segregate. Now let us discuss about refuse. This means to say no to the things people offer you, that you do not need. Refuse to buy product that can harm you and the environment. Say no to the single plastic use, carry bags and all. See, if you starting saying no to the things, then definitely it makes a big change. If a people started not accepting the things which is not healthy, which is not good for environment, the things started making will be stopped. So refuse is a very good thing for the same. Now reuse, this is actually even better than recycle, because the process of recycle uses some energy. In the reuse strategy, we simply what do? We use that thing again and again. Instead of throwing away used envelope, you can reverse it and you can use it. The plastic bottle in which you buy a various food item like jam, pickles can be store things in the kitchen, yes or no? We can wash that bottles and we can store something else. Either you can use for the planting and also. So this is a very good idea of reuse. The last one is repurpose. What is repurpose? This means when a product can no more be used for the original purpose, think carefully and use it for some other useful purpose. For example, cracked crockery or cups can be broken, handles can be used to grow small plants, feeding vessels of the bird. See, here what happened? Repurpose means suppose something is broken. So in that case, what we can do? We can use is at decorating material. We can use is at planting. We can use as a feeding birds and so many other things. You can decorate your garden with the help of that. You can make some craft material with the help of that. So repurpose is also a very good, example for maintaining and managing your environment. So student, now we are going to discuss about the question which was mentioned on the worksheet. Question number 1. How can you help in reducing the problem of waste disposal? Give 2 methods. The answer are by minimizing the use of disposable items and promoting the use of recycled items. And what are these 2 methods? First, separating biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste, dumping them and recycle the non-biodegradable waste material. Question number 2. List the problem due to non-biodegradable waste produced by us. So, that are clogging of drain, land pollution, soil destruction, water pollution, air pollution, ecological imbalance, and death of cattle due to a injection of plastic, and many more indigestations of plastic. With that, a cattle died. List the name of any 2 things that can be recycled: glass, paper, cardboard, and there are many more. Question number 4. Write the advantage of sewage treatment plant. As sewage enter in a plant for treatment, it flows through a screen which removes large floating objects such as rags and sticks that might clog pipes or damage equipment. The material removed is washed and pressed off in a landfill. As it is very much clear, when the sewage water is entered into plant, some object which are flowing which stuck and which help to maintain the not to clog of pipes, and that stuffs are used again for the landfill. Question number 5. If you say no to the plastic bag, then which bag or of material you may use and why? We will use bag of jute or paper because they are easily disposable and biodegradable also. Thank you.